Easy there, unpacking an English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is not just educational but also a lot of fun. Today, we're going to unpack a very common English phrase, easy there. Have you ever heard someone say it and wondered what exactly they meant? Well, you're in luck because we're about to dive deep into this phrase, exploring its meaning, usage, and some examples. Stay tuned to become an easy there expert. Easy there is a phrase you might encounter in everyday English conversations. It's an informal expression used to caution someone to slow down, be more careful, or to stop becoming too excited or upset. Imagine you're holding a cup of coffee a bit too recklessly. Someone might say, "Easy there," to warn you that you might spill it. This phrase has a gentle or friendly tone, showing concern rather than anger. While the exact origin of easy there is not clear, it's believed to have come from handling animals, like horses, when they become agitated. Over time, it became a colloquial way to address people as well. It's important to note the context in which it's used. Easy there can be used in both light-hearted and serious situations. If a friend is jokingly pretending to steal your fries, you might laugh and say, "Easy there." But if someone is actually getting too heated during an argument, saying, "Easy there," can be a way to diffuse the tension. Let's go through some scenarios where easy there might pop up. 1. When someone is moving too fast. Imagine someone is rushing through a task and making mistakes. You could say, "Easy there, let's take this one step at a time." 2. In moments of potential danger. If someone is about to do something risky, like climb a shaky ladder, you might caution them with, "Easy there, make sure it's stable." 3. When emotions run high, during an intense discussion, if someone is getting overly agitated, a calm, "Easy there, let's keep this civil," could help. There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. You might hear, "Easy does it," "Take it easy," "Hold up." Each of these can be used in similar contexts but may vary slightly in tone or formality. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, easy there. Next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it yourself. We hope this video has made your path to mastering English expressions a bit easier. Don't forget to practice, stay curious, and as always, take it easy with your learning journey. See you in the next video.